looking for me?
It looks like the same one.
Oh, hello, Kylie. How good to see you. I'm glad we're able to talk with the help of my portable North Pole console. I bet you want to know if you made it onto my nice list this year. Am I right? We'll find out very soon. Just come with me. We'll take a look at your book.
The book is the same one, isn't it?
Ah, here it is.
This is not gonna look out.
This is where I write down everything I know about you. You're 5 years old, aren't you? And you go to school. Now here's the exciting part. This very special machine will go through your book so we can see what kind of year you had. Time to lower the lights. Everybody, come and watch. Oh, here we go. You've really grown, haven't you? And don't worry, if you're on my nice list, I'll always know where to find you, whether you're home or somewhere else during the holidays. Kylie, I know that this year you've been asked to try your best to always listen to your parents. Now, did you make an effort to make it onto my nice list? Let's use the machine to find out now.
Where are you going? Sit down. Stay there. Watch it. Relax, honey. What happened?
Yes, I
You
did
made
it.
it onto my nice list.
Yes!
Congratulations. Kylie,
See, it was a different one.
my elves and I are very proud of you. It was great to see you. We all wish you a Merry Christmas and
See?
a Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho.
Bye, Sam.